Semen retention and the satisfaction of a hot knife slicing and sliding through butter. You take a knife and you put that knife safely over the heat until it gets very hot. And you take your right hand, your left hand if you're left-handed, and you put a big pile of butter on the plate, on the table, wherever, the chopping board. And you slowly slide that hot knife through the butter. And you watch it. You sit there and you watch it. You really pay attention to just how smooth that knife slices right through the butter. The reason this video is important, I know you were thinking, what does a hot knife slicing through butter have to do with semen retention? We want to know about female attraction, female attraction, female attraction, female attraction. What about the women? How many women am I going to get when I start semen retention? Where are the women? Where are the women? I know that's what you want to hear, but this ain't that. You have to learn to be satisfied simply. Your senses have been hijacked. Your senses have been hoodwinked. Your senses have been bamboozled to the point you can't even enjoy simple things like slicing and sliding a hot knife through butter. Why is that? Have you ever thought about that? Why am I not able to enjoy simple things like this? On this journey of semen retention, you will reset. You will reset your senses to where you don't need heavy stimulation in order to be satisfied visually. It could be anything. You have to get back to the point where you don't need multiple things happening at once in order to stay focused. Everyone's attention span is so short now. Nobody can sit in one spot for 60 seconds. They have to be doing something. They have to be seeing something. They have to be seeing something flash on the screen. It has to be jump cuts. Where did your patience go? Everyone wants things right now. When's the last time you enjoyed something as simple as slicing butter with a hot knife? I'm a chef today, y'all. I'm a chef. When's the last time you enjoyed something that was simple? As simple as standing out in the rain and feeling the raindrops on your head. I know that made y'all think about that song, Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. But when's the last time you did something simple like that? Media, the hub, OnlyFans, all these things hijack your senses. They make it so that you need things to be complicated and complex and many things going on at once in order for you to pay attention. Why do you think they did that? Why do you think they do that? It's a form of control. So you're not in control of yourself any longer. And when you're not in control of yourself, when you don't have self-control and discipline over your body, your senses, what do you think happens? You can be led in any direction. Your senses. So as you do the practice of semen retention, you begin to have control of your senses. You don't need heavy stimulation. You can pull the joy out of very small, simple things. And what does this do? This makes your life more enjoyable. You can pull joy and pull good out of everything. You build real self-control and real discipline over yourself. So this video has nothing to do about butter or a hot knife sliding through butter. It has everything to do with you finally gaining control of your senses back. They've been stolen. So regain control of your senses and build it to where simple things bring satisfaction. Y'all see the image? Oh, I'm turning the wrong way. That butter actually looked like cheese, though. Don't that butter look like cheese? Look like government cheese, a big block of government cheese. Semen retention and satisfaction of a hot knife sliding through butter. I hope y'all understood what I was saying in this video. Stay focused, stay locked in. All praise to the Most High. Say that then. Proper preparation and patience prepares you to prosper.